So another professional boxing card rocks Jamaica on Saturday with the younger brother of the legendary Floyd Mayweather Jr., Justin Mayweather, said to be the headliner. Of course, any fight card in Jamaica these days is welcome, especially after the demise of the popular Ray and Neville Contender Boxing Series. And any fight card anywhere in the world that can feature a Mayweather in the ring must be a good thing. Of course, this is boxing, what I call the ultimate or the most basic of all sporting activities. Two men pitted against each other in the confines of a ring with a mandate to hurt each other. And the man that administers the most hurt is the winner. He don't get no more basic than that. I have a very special respect for all boxers. For a man or a woman to strip themselves three-quarter naked and jump in a ring and invite another person to thump them. It takes a special kind of craziness to do that as a profession. So we say respect to all boxers who are doing something that most normal people cannot do. Like me too coward to even try. But I watch it though. Yes, man. I watch boxing. I love to watch boxing. Yes. And we are going to watch some boxing tomorrow night up at Jamaica College. Yeah, man. Strictly watch me. Yeah, be like what? Watch me some. Watch me some. Watch me some. Watch it.